This is the most difficult recipe I have ever had to make. This is veggie cream cheese. First, you're going to want to take an 8-ounce brick of cream cheese and put it in a mixing bowl. And make sure you take your time with this part. Next, take 1 small carrot, cut off the ends. And this is where it's going to get tricky. You're going to cut this carrot in half lengthwise. And then on each half, you're going to cut it into thirds lengthwise. I know, this is risky, but with great risk can come great rewards. Now, take those thirds of the carrot and cut them up really thinly. And I'm talking really thinly. I know I sped up the video, but this took me absolutely forever. You're welcome. Now, take 2 green onions. Again, cut off the ends. We don't need those roots in there. And then I also cut off a little bit of the tops because they were looking a little wonky. Now, I'm cutting it in half, and then again, I'm slicing this very thinly. Make sure you use a sharp knife, because a dull knife, you will absolutely cut yourself. And with a sharp knife, you're going to be able to cut through these veggies no problem. And just like with the carrot, this took a really long time. So I saved you by speeding this up. Now, what we're going to want to do is take these veggies we cut and gracefully stick them in the bowl. And using our spatula, we're going to mix it just by pressing it in. Make sure you're using softened cream cheese. I took this cream cheese out an hour before making this. And that's how you know this recipe is difficult. I literally had to prepare an hour beforehand and just wait. And this is looking very homogeneous very quickly. Now, take your container of choice and put it in there. Ooh, look at that. Delicious. Make sure you get it all in there. And there's a trick to this too. You want to make sure that there's no air bubbles in between the container and the cream cheese. You want to push those out. And me, being as meticulous as I am, did this for a little while. It's a lot like brain surgery. You gotta look, you gotta be careful, but in the end, you really don't know if it helps or not. And there you have it. Beautiful veggie cream cheese. This goes really good in scrambled eggs, and it goes really good on bagels. I hope you make this one today. It's delicious. Enjoy.